Official. Be confident. Be confident. Have goals. Success. Focus on the present. Power. Prosperity. Breakthrough Talk with Oguslala.
You are welcome back to this episode. Today I'll be talking on a subject, a title, The Mystery of Vision. You hear what I said? I title it The Mystery of Vision. And when you don't have vision and you are living on this earth, you are not living, you are existing. When you don't have vision and you are living on this earth, listen to me, you are not living, you are existing. When you don't have vision of what your tomorrow will look like, not your future, because you know I don't believe in future, I don't believe in past, I only believe in present. So if you don't have a vision of what your tomorrow will look like, that means you are out of the present. Maybe you are living in the past or in another planet, and anybody living on that planet cannot be seen. That means you are existing, you are not living. Hold on, let me come back, I'll put light on it.
Breakthrough Talk with Oguslala.
Every day of your life, you must have a vision of where you are going. You know what I said? I said every day, you must have a vision of where you are going. One of the greatest leader who has ever lived in the 20th century made a statement, Stephen R. Covey. He said, vision is greater than excess luggage. You hear what he said? He said vision is greater than excess luggage. If you don't have a vision, you don't have an understanding of what vision is, you will not understand what that man said. He said vision is greater than excess luggage. If you have a vision, you can easily relate. All the problem you have in this world, all your imagination, everything that will make you become great, even though you have physical money, everything together, join all of them together, it's called baggage. You cannot use it to compare a man with a vision. A man with a vision will impact people. A man with a vision will affect a lot of life, generation yet unborn. But a man with excess baggage, all the baggage in this world, all the money in this world, everything you need that you can see cannot be equal to a man who has a vision. Last 3 months, last 4 months, someone has opportunity to come and eat with me. He has an opportunity to eat with me. That's how he put it in his own word. He sent me a letter of recent. He said, my mind was at rest until I came to your place and you invited me, you give me the opportunity to eat with you. And you shifted my brain. Eating with you alone is a shift on my brain. Today I have my car. When I look into my bank account, I smile. Do you know what that does to me? Do you know what that message is to me? To me, a man with a vision. I have a lot of vision inside of me, but one particular one stand out, and that is what I'm doing right now. This is my vision, to impact generation. I have no problem with results. You know, result has a way of making you feel as if there's something special about you, what you have done. But I keep on imparting life. That's what I want to do. That's what I was born to do. So every day of your life, you have to see where you are going to. Inside of you, nobody on earth can stop you not to look within. Nobody on earth can stop you not to see with your imagination. Nobody on earth will stop you not to see where you want to go, where you want to be. Every day of your life, you have to understand that what you are doing with yourself is good, but what you are seeing within yourself is better. You hear what I said? Every day, what you are doing. Because if you see something and you did not put him to the place of where you are going to, that means it's not part of your vision. You can say it's called disturbance. You see with the eye of your imagination. And if you cannot apply what you see into the course of your life, that thing you see is just a distraction. It's a disturbance. You have to take it out of the way and focus your understanding of where you are going to. Hold on, I'll come back and shine light on it. Just take care.
Breakthrough Talk with Oguslala.
Every day, your activity has to be in the realm of vision. You hear what I say? Every day, vision cannot be seen. Can only be known, and you know where you are going to. I don't know your vision. This is part of my vision. I'm living my vision now, and it's in the realm of activities. That's what I'm doing. So I'm talking to you, I'm living my vision. And if your vision is not in the realm of activity, ask yourself, what are you doing? So every day, your activity has to be in the realm of vision. You understand what I just said? I say every day, your activity has to be in the realm of vision. And if you are not working in the realm of vision every day, and you have everything, you cannot compare yourself with a man of vision. Your memory work with your imagination in the realm of vision. Your memory will work very well. If you understand, your memory will work with your imagination. And a lot of people who don't understand imagination, they'll carry their imagination and they'll go and put it in the realm of worry. And that worry is based on the past, what has happened in the past, which is supposed to help you in the future. If you believe in the future. You hear what I said? What has happened in the past, if you use your imagination to work, you take it and you tell yourself, if the future can be changed, but now you are not living in the present. And that is where you have the missing link. If you are living in the present, you will now understand that the future, the past, they are nothing but illusion. If you are living in the present, you will understand that what your imagination is doing to you is taking you to memory. But if you are living in the past, your imagination will not take you to memory. It will take you to worry. Because you see all the things that are supposed to make your destiny shine. You see them from the realm of imagination alone. But if you are living in the present, your imagination will make you feel like, make you see those things that happen, supposed to happen, because it's part of your destiny. Then you'll be living in a way that only you can live. Nobody on this earth that has everything, if he doesn't have vision, it's not living. I've said it before. So ask yourself every day if your activity is in the realm of vision, or because in the realm of vision, everything is clear. You'll be thinking, you'll not be worried, because a lot of people are worried and they are not thinking. I used to say it all the time, and I keep repeating it. Any video I do or does, have ever does before in the past, in the future, has nothing to do with the present. So that's why I use the word every day. So you have to know every day your activity has to be in the realm of vision. I show someone the future that he cannot see. I brought the future into the present. You see why I did not believe in the future? I brought the future into the present. And it was like, I need to go. Go here. I want to go. The place is where to go. I call that place bondage. He came out of bondage. And he was on a mission. And he realized that the future is going to be like a problem to him, because he cannot see the future from the eye of the present. He sees the future from the eye of the past. The activities that happened, the struggle that took him out of that place. He was thinking if he go back to that place, it's going to be okay. Then I brought the future into the present. And when he saw it, he made a change of mind immediately. It's one of my students today is telling me that, no, I'm not going back. I said, why? I missed about 1 week later, I said, hey guy, you need to go back. He said, no. I said, why? He said, I've made up my mind to go back before, but when I was talking to you, the things that come out of your mouth make me change. Today, I'm not going back. I said, why? He said, Shaman, I'm not going back. I want to be here. I said, where do you want to be? So I understand within myself, there's a light bulb inside of me that, this one understand. You know, not just listening, they hear what I said. Some people listen, they don't hear. Just like what I'm saying now. If you don't take time to hear what I'm saying, you say, who is this guy talking? You screw. Instead of you saying, man, I think I need to share this video. I think I need to let someone understand that there's something going on right here. So when you come in contact with something like this, you have to play it all over again to see what is going on. Because it's only you that can see. That's vision right there. It's only you that can see what's going on. What's happening is that somebody can stand with you now and be watching this video and say, what are you looking at? The person will pass, but what you are hearing, if your activities every day is in the realm of your vision, you are not just a living being, you are a treasure on earth that is waiting to be celebrated. You know what I said? If your activity is in the realm of vision, you are not just a living being, you are a treasure on earth waiting to be celebrated. So ask yourself, if everything that you are going through right now is not making you happy, it's because you have not put your activity in the realm of vision. Hold on, I will come back and shine light on it. Take care.
Breakthrough Talk with Ogusilala.
Welcome back. Every day you must understand that your imagination has everything to do with your vision. You hear what I said? I say every day you must understand that your imagination has everything to do with your vision. You see this place I'm sitting, the whole fame of my wisdom. Anytime I enter this place, this thing begin to come alive inside of me. I begin to realize that now, I'm in the realm of my vision. You hear what I said? The realm of my vision. If your vision is not in activities, it's not in line with everything you are doing in life, then ask yourself, how come some people, they use their imagination to make a lot of money, they use their imagination to do everything, but they lack vision. They are living in the most expensive place in the world, but later on they became what? Homeless. They became what? Nobody, because they lack vision. Your imagination can give you everything, but your vision will make you stable on earth. You understand? Someone lost everything because he had vision. He's still on top today. He lost everything because he had vision. So your vision, your imagination can make you homeless. Everything you are doing, your imagination can give you everything, but it will not give you a stable life if you lack vision. You know what I say? Your imagination can give you everything. Not that your imagination is not important. So you need to understand that every day, your imagination is part of your vision. What if vision is lacking? Imagination will just be walking. It's like a slave. You know what I said? You know what I said? My history, if it's based on everything I do, my vision will not last. My history has everything to do with my mentality. When I know that one, that my history has everything to do with my mentality, then that is all I need. My history, not my past. Because if my mentality is based on my circumstances, then my past is controlling my history. My past is controlling my destiny. You hear what I said? Let me take it again. If my mentality is based upon my circumstances, then my past is controlling my destiny. My mentality has to base on my vision. And if my mentality is based on my vision, history will speak for himself. Because every day, history is supposed to speak. Every day. One of the greatest players who has ever lived, who is still living, made history yesterday. He scored his 801 goal yesterday for more than 1,000 match. Cristiano Ronaldo, he made history yesterday. 801 goals. And I'm part of history because I was watching. I'm part of history. If I'm not part of history, if it's not part of my destiny, I will be watching it. So if you are a man of vision and you understand that your imagination has everything to do with your vision, you see everybody with the eye of love. And when you see people with the eye of love, you ask questions. Answer will reveal himself, because answer is waiting. The only thing that is making some people not succeed on earth, they lack vision. And when you have vision inside of you, your imagination will be looking for ways, different things that will make the vision come alive. I asked someone, do you have vision? He said, I have vision. I said, what's your vision? He said, my vision is so big like the oak. I was like, guy, take it easy. Your vision is what? He said, my vision is bigger than the sea. I said, yeah. Guy, are you sure that's you? You are dreaming? Your vision? He said, people don't know. You are my mentor. I said, I'm not your mentor. He said, no. Only you inspire me, you do things. I said, I just ask you a question right now. I've never think like that before. Are you thinking? He said, no, I use my imagination. I said, that is the reason you don't have vision. He said, what do you mean, sir? I said, how can you tell me that your vision is bigger than the universe? Be careful. Who have you seen? Are you living on that planet? I said, do you need money? He said, I need money. I said, okay. What do you need money for? He said, a lot of things. I said, what do you need money for? Just tell me one thing you need money for. He said, everybody need money now. What kind of question is that? I said, what do you need money for? I thought you just said I'm your mentor. Okay, let's work out this thing. What do you need money for? He said, I need money to do a lot of things. I said, just tell me one thing you need money to do. He said, I need money to buy a car. I said, that's your problem? He said, that's my problem at this moment. I said, okay, what do you want to do with the car? He said, to drive around now, I need a car now. At my age, I need a car. I said, what do you need the car for? He said, Shaman, you have all these things now. That's why you are asking me all this. I say, yes, I've tasted it. I know what I'm talking about. So I'm happy that I have all these things. So what do you need a car for? So I need it. It's part of better life. I say, what do you need better life for? I say, everybody needs better life. I say, what do you need better life for? Because if you lack vision, you will not see what you want to do. Your purpose on earth is to do that which you are supposed to be doing on earth. That's vision right there. Your purpose on earth is to do that which you are supposed to be doing on earth. A lot of people today, they are asking themselves that they need money to do what? They will not tell you one particular purpose why this money is supposed to come. And money will not come to someone who uses imagination alone without vision. So you need to understand that your imagination will work in a way that if you don't have vision, it will give you everything you need, but it will leave you stranded in the realm of illusion. And that is where people are living today, the illusion of happiness. That if I have this thing, money follow idea. If you have idea, can you see what I'm doing right now? This is just my idea. How to empower people, how to impact people. Like I said first, someone said I gave him opportunity to eat with me. And today he has his own car. When he look at his account, it's mine. What does it mean? That's impartation right there. When you know those things, then you will not live your life based on what you think you're supposed to be doing on earth, but what you know that you're supposed to be doing, not what you think, what you know, because what you know is powerful than what you think. And through thinking, you will know something. You know what I said? I said what you know is powerful than what you think you're supposed to be thinking. Except you are not in the realm of thinking. Like me, I think every day. So every day of your life, you have to understand that your imagination has to be connected to your vision every day. Because if you don't set a vision and you are using your imagination, then later on, like people who say they want to plan, they have not planned anything. When money come into their hand and said, okay, I want to plan with money. Do you know what you are doing? You are constructing your future with money. That's why you go around, you see a lot of abandoned projects, not because they did not plan to build. They are constructing their future. I still have much to say, but you cannot be there now. The man behind the camera has a vision. So you want to run with his vision. And this is part of his vision. To make people who have impact, to impact people. That's why he's standing behind the camera. Without him, this vision will not come alive. And that is part of his vision. He has joy doing what he's doing. Like I said before, if he doesn't have joy, he won't be standing behind the camera. Take care. In the next episode, I'll talk more about vision. And vision is like a car. Vision is like a car. Imagination is the fuel you put inside the car. Vision is like the full car you have in your garage. But if there is no fuel inside, the car is not going anywhere. So when you have vision, let your vision be in the realm of what? Activity. That activity is like imagination too. That's what will make your vision come to fruition. So take care. Next time I will see you.